everybody, it's Brian Rivas here with Brianna Rules 89, and yes, we're back in Skyrim, and we are finishing part 2 of, I think, a 2-part series. If this goes any longer, it'll be a 3-part series, of course. But anyways, let's get into it. So basically, we left off finding this dude's horse, right? I don't remember, I haven't recorded in a couple days. So we left off looking for the dude, the horse of the dude. It was a short video, I remember that. So let's go find the dude's horse that he got from the Jarl and he lost because he's so, you know, I don't, what's the word? It's a word for, there's a word for everything, as you can see. The first hold revolt, is this the place? Chest. And there's nothing good in here. The heck? That doesn't even look like wood. That looks really weird to me. Like, oh my, ow. Wait, what is this? It has a book on it. Decree of Monument. I can't, wow. I don't care. I have to go find this horse. Or else there'll be a 3-part series, so I better run. What is this? Ah, I get distracted. Getting distracted. Come on, come on. What? His horse is in the rock. Yep. Makes perfect logical sense. I don't even see the horse. Oh, there it is. Hey, fat horse. Hey. 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 What if I hit you? Ice veins. No wonder you're a big horse. Is this? It's my imagination, correct? Is this a really big horse or is it not? Where are we going again? Oh yeah, we're building Winterhold, so duh, we're going to Winterhold. Jeez. I don't know if it's a big horse. Tell me it's a big horse, cause big horses are big. Like you could tell which ones are big and which ones are really small. Like I bet my horse can like take down a whole entire werewolf army by itself. This horse right now. No wonder. Well, if he had a horse this big, why would he lose it so easily? Like honestly, would you? If you had a horse that amazingly awesome, would you lose it? Like it's like getting well, people do that. I was gonna say it's like getting an iPhone 5S and then just like breaking it the first day, but I know a lot of people who do that. Yeah, yeah, not that cool. Um, so I'm just moving this guy around, I guess. Last time was all loading screens. Hopefully, hopefully it won't be like that this time, or else we're gonna have a 5-part series. Cause I think we move around a lot, and he just put this horse quest in there for no exact. Oh, there we go. What? Oh, hey, look, I'm on the horse. It's a big horse. This is a big horse. That's a big horse. Like it's, I don't know. I feel like it's a really big horse. I should compare it to other horses. I'll take a picture of it later. That's a big horse, like a big horse. If he gives me that horse, I'll be happy, because I don't really have a horse. That's that cool. Okay, yes, that was the quickest loading screen ever. I'm back. What's your big plan?
Turns out the Jarl is allergic to horses. May as well keep it.
Anyway,
Before my uncle died,
he told me.
he hid his life savings
Wait.
in the cellar.
I went out there, fought trolls, while you were sitting here, drunk, because I could see it in your eyeballs, to get your horse, and then you tell me that the Jarl is allergic to horses? I'm not happy for you. I want to punch you.
Another family lives there now.
Just come home.
Can't just go say to them, my uncle left all his loot in your basement. Mind if I fetch it?
Uh,
Why?
If you were to
Because I'd rather be
sneak
here
in
trying
there
to
and
keep
find
my
the
older
loot,
brother from treating
all I
himself
ask
to
is
death.
for 2,000. As a bonus, you'll be inclined to pass on some valuable info when you get back.
okay.
Iverstead. Klimek family lives there now. I was told the loot is in a barrel in the root cellar.
Where? Trusting you now. Bonus when you get back. This is crap. Who was arguing behind me? I want to punch them because they ruined.
Colorful.
Yes.
Um. uh. Do not talk to dark elves. Or was that even a dark elf or was that a wood elf? I don't remember. Where are we going? Iverstead, yeah. Where is Iver? There it is. Oh, isn't this the guy that gives you the supplies to take to the High Hrothgar in the main quest line? And then you take it to the High Hrothgar, but you put it in the chest, and you do that. And then you talk to him, but you never really talk to him because you're just too lazy to go back down there and claim your reward. Why do I see a book? This is a nice book. I would like to have this book. Some people rip the pages out this book. They're gonna have to pay the library fee. Who overused this book? I have a bunch of overused books in my inventory right now. I can show you all my overused books. They're nice and overused. Yeah. Overused books. What is that even? What is that? It's like a mix of a bird, a fairy, and like a falcon eagle. The bird, the e-fairy. No. Egary. The Egary. Yes, that's the Egary. I've officially named a new species called the Egary. It's in Skyrim. But look, oh, that could be a cat's face too. Egrat, the Egrat. Yep, that's it. That's definitely it. Egrat. I've officially named it the Egrat. All right, where are we going now?
Colorful.
Why is everybody saying colorful? What the heck? Do I have paint on my face? Did a little 5-year-old write on my face or something?
I could make my deliveries more often, but the road's getting dangerous.
Stop breathing on my neck, sir. No. Ah, get off the horse. Everybody's saying colorful to me. Why are they saying colorful? Everybody's just like, colorful. The apocalypse is happening. Oh. I'm not trying to sneak into your house or anything. I'm just standing outside the door. You know. Times like that. Yeah. Uh-huh. Can I cheat? I'm gonna cheat because this is gonna take it too long if I don't cheat. Because then I'm gonna have to wait and I'm gonna do all this stuff. And I'm gonna cheat by using the Naruto Jutsu mod. Yep. You saw that. And I have all the keys to the places. I just do. Because that's how I am. I just unlock all the stuff with my key of awesomeness. Okay. You don't have a wife or a family, so that's good, I hope. Klimek Seller. He has 2 beds, but he doesn't have a wife and a family? Or does he have a wife and family? They just don't love him. How am I supposed to get back? Oh. Do I have to take all this? Well, I'll take the gold. And the lockpicks. I don't. This is gonna weigh me down. Look, I am already over my weight limit. I am on God mode right now, just to film this video. Look how much over my weight limit is. Jeez. No, I don't. I just press enter. Now we're gonna wait for an hour. Return to Avis. It's disgusting. Oh, chest. Yeah, you should really broom this place up and not put it in a chest. Alright, let's get out of here. Hopefully the guards are not here. I thought it was going to be some sort of cool storyline where the guards come in and they're like, hey, what are you doing in this house? I'm like, oh, I'm Kimlek. Well, I'll pronounce it wrong, of course, because, that's how bad criminals are. They wear clogs on their feet, like, but it's really loud. Not like that's, whatever. Now we gotta go back. I'm keeping Ice Veins. I like how I get to keep him, because he's a big horse. I feel like he's a big horse. Like, I feel like he's no ordinary horse. Like, I'm riding a Jarl's horse. And when you ride a Jarl's horse, you feel awesome. What was it? Egariat? I already forgot it. Egariat. It's the Egariat. Yep, I think. Unless I'm wrong. Now we're not... Where's my Egariat? I want to see my Egariat. Why don't they give me pictures? At least make me wait with pictures in front of me, not smoke. And it's very badly... Oh, that was quick. Maybe, since I'm running Ice Veins, everything's quicker. Egariat. Oh.
My job is to serve the Jarl, not waste time talking.
Please do not go up to me and say colorful again. Was that even him? That was a carpenter. Never mind. Now this one's taking a long time. Why is that? I'm looking at the time. Alright. No one's gonna come behind me and say colorful, are they? I'm back, of course.
Damn. How much was it? Nope, don't tell me. All I want is my share.
Yes, you are definitely drunk.
The guy was gonna buy the last house we built, backed out of the deal. It's already furnished.
Alright,
Acted on the deal and lost his payment. All you'd have to do is cover the final payment and take the house. 5,000 septums and it's yours.
sure, do I just pay you?
Sure. I'll get it to the Jarl Steward myself. Getting a sweet deal with that place.
Isn't this a
Take
surprise?
care of yourself and
How
thanks
much of
for
our
it.
money have you
Is
spent
this-
today, Ranmir?
Is this?
Anything left, or is it all gone?
If I wanted to get yelled at, I'd be home. Can't you leave me be?
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I bothering you? Am I making your life more difficult?
Why are you staring at me? I got the I was gonna open a door for her, but apparently I'm just rude like that in Skyrim. Where's my house? What? Somebody's attacking me. No, not dragon. Not at a time like this. Are you kidding me? A legendary dragon at a time like this? I'm ignoring you. No. He just threw up. That nasty dragon. Wow. Did they rebuild it all already? Coldstone Manor. Wow. This is. I want to see the inside because maybe if I talk to the steward, will I get renovations? Because I don't want it to be like ugly and messy and unbroomy. Because I need a broom, big time. See, I can't even get into my own house. All right, let's see. Whoa. Hopefully the dragon does not come in my house. Dang. So far, so good. What the heck? Oh, wait, this is it? Oh, no, it's upstairs. This isn't that bad. It's kind of small, but I would like to have an army in here, but... Oh, the bed is huge. I like that. This goes outside. Enchantment table. Display case that has nothing in it. Nice, nice. Table for one, of course, because I'm a loner. And I'm recording this on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Kind of late, but, it's Valentine's Day. Whatever. Yeah. I'm just going to my cellar. Oh. Hey, guys. Um. Yeah, I'm just walking through, walking by. Oh. Anybody see this? No, no one sees this. No one at all sees this. I'm kind of scared. I always go to magic. Alright. I am scared now. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Ah, it's gonna take forever for me to get to a torch. Luckily, I have it in this thingies. Where am I going? What the? Whoa! What are you doing in my house?
Safe travels.
What? What are you doing? Get out of my house! What are you doing? Lady, get out! Don't make me call the guards. Jeez. What the heck? Please don't tell me there's no one in here. Okay. Now what's this? Why is there a lady in my house? And the mannequins walk. What is this? What? What is this? Lady, what are you doing here?
Kind, you and I.
What?
I'm glad to have met you.
I've never met you in my life. What are you doing living in my house? I am confused. Very confused. I am so confused. I don't know what to do. I'm locking this door. Watch, I'm gonna lock it. What the? Did I kill it? I didn't even hit it. I'm terrible aim. It's just going through it, right? Yeah, it's just going through it. Yeah, it's going through it. I thought I was terrible aim, but apparently not, because I'm awesome at aiming. They're walking! What is this? Like a fashion show? Oh my gosh. Is this the end of the quest? It was a two-part series. I could have finished it at one. Could I? Well, it's a good thing I split it up equally, because if I would have gone farther with the first one, I would have, what's it called? I would have finished way too early on the second one, and then I would have had nothing to do. Like, nothing. I could have talked to that carpenter guy. Let's go talk to the carpenter guy. Let's see what he has to say to me. Or we can kill the dragon. What do you feel like doing today? What do you want? I don't want to do anything. I want to kill this dude. Yeah, your shout versus mine. Mine wins. Take that, black. Oh, he didn't even die. Wow, he's good. Oh, you didn't see this. You didn't see this. That's another time. Time and date for another reason. I found. Ah! Go as fast as you can. Okay, there you go. You can see this now. No, don't you dare fly. You stupid dragon. You dodged it. Ow. Don't flame me. I'll flame you. Where are you, you stupid... There you go. Land. You better land. I can't even... Where are you? That's right. That's right. That's right. Ow! Stupid dragon. Ow, you stupid dragon. Why is my Russian shuriken glitching? You stupid dragon's destroying me. But I'm Dragonborn, so I can destroy dragons. Well, that glitch animation is actually pretty cool. It's like, that is probably the coolest glitch animation ever. Now is when we get him. Ready? Oh crap, did I get him? I don't want to get a villager. Hopefully I didn't get a guard. Oh no, you didn't. Boom. What up? Down, dragon, down. Now we see what it's like. Winterhold rebuilt. Is that? That's not my house. Do I still get a dragon soul for this? Winterhold rebuilt. It's no ordinary capital, but it's pretty cool. They fixed this house over here. They did a bunch of stuff. Wow, it's actually pretty cool. Of course the college, and it's all snowy up here. So, whoops. FC. Yeah. No. Oh no. Oh, okay. That was falling. So I guess there's only one thing we can do now. We can go interrogate that carpenter dude, but I gotta go. I mean, not I gotta go, but you know, the video's gotta go because it's past the marker. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Finished off the Winterhold series, and I got lost. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I don't end on a loading screen again like I did last time, because that was kind of awkward. But hopefully this video doesn't go very far. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, do that. Where's this guy? He's not even here. You. No, that's not you. Carpenter? Carpenter. Ah, whatever. Maybe another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And goodbye.